Hey guys, let's talk about a simple arrangement problem using the formulas on permutations and combinations for R out of n elements. In our first solution, let's make arrangement for all the 4 keys first, like this, and then think about the special case where the 2 groups are seated next to each other. In that case, we arrange them into a single group first, and then arrange the 2 boys with the group, like this. And finally, we take out the special case out of all possible situations by subtraction. We're calling that 0 factorial equal to 1 to get the result. However, if we have more than 2 girls, and of course no more than the number of boys, this solution will complicate our life. So, let's get into our second solution. We make arrangement for the 2 boys first, and remember, after that, we have 3 available spots around them. So let's choose 2 of them and make arrangement for the 2 girls. Since both steps contribute partially to the final result, so let's multiply them to get the same result as in our first solution. Alright guys, that's the end. Thanks for your attention. I'll see you in the next video.